Hi, welcome to an episode of Cobbler N Coals. I'm your host, Mr. Tim, and you may or may not know that I am a major fan of Cowboy Kent Rollins. I watch his episodes often, and a lot of his recipes I have adapted to my style of cooking, and I've taken out to the Cub Scouts many a times. Tonight, we're making the upside down pizza. It's a Dutch oven favorite. I've been dying to try this recipe for you on camera, and I've added a little bit of a twist. So I hope you enjoy. Let's get to it. Let's get cooking. Right here is where my recipe varies just a little bit. Now, the recipe called for 1 large onion, yellow in variety, and I decided to put a white onion and a little bit of red onion. I like the flavor profile that the two of those onions come together. Right? At this point, I'm going in with a little bit of Smokehouse seasoning. It's got salt, pepper, paprika, a little bit of garlic, not too much. We're going to let that all marry together. Going in with some nice pizza sauce. And then we're going in with thick and zesty spaghetti sauce seasoning. I know, I just seasoned it. Trust me, this is part of the process, and I assure you it works. Get this all stirred up together. The next ingredient going in is sour cream. Now, I always tell everybody that you got to give it a good stir to help it get that creamy consistency and texture. And in this case, it's going to help. What you're going to want to do is put about 1 cup on the top, maybe a cup and a half, and smooth it out as best as you can. The next part is cheese. Now, I have right here, the recipe calls for 3/4 of a cup of mozzarella and 3/4 of a cup of cheddar. Now I went a little bit heavier on the mozzarella, because it is one of my favorite, but I want to stick to traditional because I like Mr. Kent Rollins. I do believe that meltiness of the cheddar just adds something. So we're going in with the cheese layer right on top. Here's where the fun starts. Now we're going to take these crescent rolls and we're going to line the top of it so we get the shape. There we go. Since we have access to an amazing harvest of fresh garlic, went ahead and this next step, we're gonna just lightly brush on some garlic butter, just to add a little bit of something different. And just like that, through the miracle of video, Oh yeah, that's amazing. And before I dig into this, one final touch. Right as it's hot out of the... Oh yeah. Brushing a little bit of that garlic butter. And without further ado, I'm going in. Oh, with that ooey gooey cheese. Smell the garlic. Pardon me. I've got to do this. Sorry. For science. I can't explain it. That sour cream just works. The cheddar and the mozzarella together. I wouldn't change a thing. That little bit of garlic that I brushed on the top, amazing. You guys have got to try this one. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you at the next campfire. If you haven't already, like and subscribe so you can continue to see videos like this.